200 sentences about household problems. The faucet is dripping. The faucet is dripping. The sink is clogged. The sink is clogged. The door handle is loose. The door handle is loose. The light bulb is burnt out. The light bulb is burnt out. The toilet won't flush. The toilet won't flush. The window won't close properly. The window won't close properly. The shower head is leaking. The shower head is leaking. The cabinet door is squeaky. The cabinet door is squeaky. The refrigerator isn't cooling. The refrigerator isn't cooling. The floorboard is creaking. The floorboard is creaking. The TV remote isn't working. The TV remote isn't working. The outlet is sparking. The outlet is sparking. The drawer won't open. The drawer won't open. The carpet is stained. The carpet is stained. The dishwasher isn't draining. The dishwasher isn't draining. The thermostat isn't working. The thermostat isn't working. The roof is leaking. The roof is leaking. The air conditioner is noisy. The air conditioner is noisy. The heater won't turn on. The heater won't turn on. Thank you for like and subscribe us. The curtain rod is falling. The curtain rod is falling. The washer is making noise. The washer is making noise. The dryer isn't spinning. The dryer isn't spinning. The faucet handle is stuck. The faucet handle is stuck. The garbage disposal is jammed. The garbage disposal is jammed. The microwave doesn't heat. The microwave doesn't heat. The ceiling fan is wobbling. The ceiling fan is wobbling. The clock isn't ticking. The clock isn't ticking. The door won't lock. The door won't lock. The hinge is rusted. The hinge is rusted. The drain is slow. The drain is slow. The painting is crooked. The painting is crooked. The shower drain is clogged. The shower drain is clogged. The pipes are frozen. The pipes are frozen. The switch isn't working. The switch isn't working. The doorbell doesn't ring. The doorbell doesn't ring. The bed frame is squeaky. The bed frame is squeaky. The sink faucet is loose. The sink faucet is loose. The wallpaper is peeling. The wallpaper is peeling. The tile is cracked. The tile is cracked. The blinds won't roll up. The blinds won't roll up. The fence is broken. The fence is broken. The driveway has cracks. The driveway has cracks. The gutter is blocked. The gutter is blocked. The screen door is torn. The screen door is torn. The lamp is flickering. The lamp is flickering. The couch is ripped. The couch is ripped. The coffee table is wobbly. The coffee table is wobbly. The bookshelf is leaning. The bookshelf is leaning. The fan won't turn on. The fan won't turn on. The chimney is blocked. The chimney is blocked.